This is a BMW car with the 3 Series EVO system, and now we're installing the multimedia box on it. Try out the air conditioning trim panel with the rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel. Remove the lower panel with the buckboard to disconnect the wires. Remove the fixing screws of the hose panel. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the hose panel. Remove the fixing screws of the OEM host. Take out the original host. Then hold the E-cell plug buckle of the OEM host, pull it backward to take out the E-cell plug of the host. Remove the fiber optic cable by pressing a cocking plate against the small snap bit on the stock E-cell cable female. Remove the fixing screws of the OEM screen. Remove the LVDS plug on the back of the display and place the stock display. Connect mirror Android E-cell harness to the E-cell plug of the OEM host. Connect the fiber optic cable to the Android E-cell female connector and plug it in securely. Connect the Carplay box's eShell cable mail to the back of the OEM host. Insert the plug and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Connect the LVDS plug label to the C-box LVDS out, and in on the LVDS adapter cable to the corresponding socket on the box. Connect the plug of the eShell harness to the corresponding socket on the box. Connect the Wi-Fi antenna to the connector on the back of the box. Connect the other end of the LVDS label to TFT LVDS in on the box to the display and plug LVDS socket. Then plug the LVDS plug label to see the LVDS out on the box into the display. Install the display back in place. Run the USB cable through the passenger front and place it in the passenger storage box. Thread the microphone cord through the slit under the steering wheel and secure the microphone next to the dashboard. Install the OEM host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix it. Secure the box with the antenna in place. At this point, the box was installed and the recovery of the center panel began. Please use the original microphone.